Alright, firstly go to insert and add a rounded cornered rectangle and adjust it like this. Decrease its radius and copy it and paste it 3 times. Rotate one of them and place it like this. Rotate the other as well. Place it like this right here. Go to shape format, select all and go to union. Add a rectangle and select all the shapes. Go to shape format and merge them. Select it, shape fill, and you can change its color to any color you want. Remove its outline, go to preset and give it a preset of 2. Increase its size. Now decrease its size. Adjust it like this. Now you have to duplicate that shape. Change its color. Go to shape effects preset and give it a preset of 2. Go to shadow and give it a shadow. Right click on this one and click on added points and delete these points. Similarly, do this on to the other side. Delete these 2 points. So I'm gonna make a replicate of this shape. So I'm gonna use this shape to add the points of this yellow triangle. I'm gonna move this triangle right next to this shape. So let's try to make this triangle similar to that shape behind it. I'm gonna edit its points. Just a little bit more and it's gonna be done. There you go. I'm gonna delete this one shape and I'm gonna copy this one and paste it and change the color of the other one. Now you have to go to align and distribute horizontally. Now go to rotate and flip horizontally. Now get this one triangle, change its color and move it upwards, and I have made the shape. I'm gonna add these points because it still looks a little bit defected. That's it. Now all you have to do is select all of these shapes and give them presets. Add the text, add a circle in between this shape, give it a color of, let me see, you can choose color of your choice. I'm gonna give this purple. Remove its outline, add an outline and give it a weight of 6 pt. Change its outline color to white. move it in between these shapes. Go to preset and preset 1. Give it a gradient. Select all of these and give them a preset. I have added the text. Now I'm gonna add a boundary like this. Go to shape fill and gradient and give it a gradient of orangey yellow. Decrease its radius. Now add a text box and add your title. Increase its size, change its color. Give it preset of 1. Bold it. Go to icons and choose any random icons that you want to use. That's it. I've chosen 3 icons. Now change their color to white. Move them in each of the shape. Let's choose this icon. Yeah. Now decrease their size and put them in between the shapes. Group them. Duplicate this circle and decrease its size. Put it between the first circle. Change its inner color. Now go to icons again. Add an icon for the circle. Decrease its size. Change its color to white. Duplicate this circle. Change its color to white. Decrease its size. Move it right here. Change its fill color. Move it upwards right here. Let's place it right here. Now you have to paste this shape and change its color to blue. Increase the size and place it under this text here. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe. Also, comment down to let me know of your thoughts.